Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow microphone access on Gmail using your PC with the latest updates. If you're looking to enhance your communication experience with features like voice messages or video calls directly through Gmail, enabling microphone access is essential. First, let's get started by opening gmail.com in your preferred web browser. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see the familiar inbox view. Now, look at the top of your browser window where the web address is displayed. You'll notice a small icon next to it. This could be a lock or an information symbol depending on your browser settings. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu labeled View Site Information. This is where you can manage various permissions that Gmail has on your device. From this menu, select Site Settings to proceed further. In the Site Settings window, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll find options for managing different types of permissions such as location and camera access. However, we're interested in enabling microphone access for now. Locate the option for microphone under Permissions and toggle it to allow Gmail to use it. By doing so, you're giving permission for features like voice typing or making calls directly from within Gmail. Once you've enabled microphone access following these simple steps, you should be able to use all audio-related features seamlessly, without any issues related to microphone permissions. This process ensures that whether you're recording audio messages or participating in video calls via Google Meet integrated with Gmail, everything works smoothly without interruptions due to permission issues. By following these straightforward steps today, not only will you enhance your overall experience with Gmail, but also ensure that important communications aren't hindered by technical glitches related to microphone usage. So go ahead and give these steps a try, if haven't already done so. With just a few clicks and adjustments in settings as outlined here today, enjoy uninterrupted communication through voice-enabled features available right within Gmail itself.